Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the redesign of the restocking process at Co-Smart retail stores. The agenda is like we'll go through the current process flow, the problems, the analysis study, recommendations, and then the revised process. As per the current process, associates are required to arrange the items on the shelves, and once they are arranged, the associates need to manually monitor the shelves for any, if they are empty, if there are any misplaced items, damaged or expired items. If they find any empty shelves, they replace the item from back of the store. Any damaged items, they just remove the item from the shelf and replace it with another item. Any misplaced items, they need to look up for the position of that item and replace it accordingly. And if they find any expired items, they need to remove it from that shelf and replace with another item. So this is a cyclic process which needs to be done manually by the staff associates, and this frequency is based on the inflow of customers in the store. So as per the current process, the problems faced due to restocking will be the manual monitoring to look for any expired items, damaged items, misplaced items, and for any empty shelves. This also involves training of any new staff regarding the restocking process, and then if there are no items on the shelves, there will be no purchases by the customers, which will lead to a decrease in the sales for stores. Then a report was also conducted, and based on the customer survey, more than 50% were inconvenient with the restocking process, and the input from the store managers and associates also showed evidence that the restocking process was not convenient. And the competitors, after implementing emerging technologies to replace the restocking process, the report showed profits faced by these competitors. So the following recommendations have been discussed for removing the restocking process. This has the use of RFID stock tracking technology and the automated retail stores. And in use of RFID stock technology, this involves requiring tags to be attached to every item, and this enables the store to track the items anywhere in the store. So this makes tracking of the stock items easier, and also the associates will be able to provide any available item in the store to the customer. The items will not on the shelves are still prone to damage, as there are available items on the shelves and still requires manual monitoring by the associates. Then the automated retail stores, this involves automating the warehouse by having software systems organize the items on the shelves. The orders are taken through email or voice recognition systems, and automatic retrieval systems uses robots equipped with special gripper systems to track products in the warehouse from the customer's order and set them aside for delivery. This minimizes the manpower requirements to monitor shelves, restock or replace items, but it could not provide a shopping experience to customers who would want to touch, feel and see products. Then there is the recommendation of augmented reality or virtual retail stores, and these are set up where products are displayed on the screens which can be viewed in the same way as in a shop. Customers can scan them in the mobile phones or devices available at the stores rather than by cashier. Customers could walk through virtual aisles selecting items simply by tapping on the screens of the devices. Customers visit physical stores to touch, feel and see products, and the virtual retail stores make this possible. So this particular recommendation has an added advantage over the other two alternatives, where it removes all the restocking process which we have discussed earlier, and also it has the same shopping experience as in a physical retail store. So this will be a better recommendation over the other two alternatives. So the revised process here just shows that the restocking process is not required. And as a store manager, the virtual retail store could be implemented so that we could stay ahead in the competition, and a change in this area could improve the company's long-term revenue growth. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.